Hello and welcome to Nate's Studio Desk, the place where you can come ask questions and get helpful advice on all topics related to architecture and design. Please remember to subscribe and hit that bell notification if you want to stay up to date with all the latest videos that are coming out. Today we're going to take a look at how to add an add-on to Grasshopper. Now there's a couple things to keep in mind while you do it. It's not as straightforward as you would think. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is go over to Food for Rhino, Apps for Rhino and Grasshopper, and for this exercise we're going to download Meerkat. Alright, so we are going to download the latest version here. We'll just come in here and download. And for right now I'm just going to keep it, I'm just going to extract the download, and I'm going to copy this file. Then I'm going to go to open up Rhino, and this works in Rhino 6 as well, but right now I've been using Rhino 7, the latest updates, and come to Grasshopper. And we're going to go to the special folders, components folders. So let's just show that one. Let's go File, Special Folders, and then the Components folder. And then you're going to go File, Paste. Then you have your new folder in. And then this is the part that you have to keep in mind, which is you have to right click the add in here, which is the Meerkat GIS, and hit Properties. And then you'll see here it says unblock, and that's what you want to do. You want to unblock this file. Close out Rhino, go back and open up Rhino, and if we did everything correctly, it should load up. Let's see if we did. All right, it's loading up. And it came up in this extras folder, and we have the various components for the Meerkat plugin. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please add comments and any questions that you have or any videos that you would like to see in the future. Have a good day. Thank you.